hair, you guys. Check out the baby ears, so cute. Hair is bomb.com. Like, the texture is everything. Like, this is one of the best Yaki straight units. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I install this kinky straight 18-inch Brazilian hair that I got from a Luvme Hair company. It came in this cute little box right here. Their packaging is everything, and you can also use my discount code, which will be linked in my description bar down below, to save some money off of this wig. I'll be showing you how I finesse this unit. So if you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into this install. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from Luvme Hair Company, their affordable luxury wig collection. I received their 18-inch kinky straight unit. Along with the wig inside of the box, I received a pair of stocking cap along with some other goodies as well. I received this cute little Luvme hair clip along with an elastic band to adjust your wig if you want, this cute little edge brush, some hair clips, and a pair of tweezers along with their Luvme hair scarf. This is super cute, and their hair care instruction as well. So a bit about this wig. It came in this cute little mauve pouch, as you can see, and it's super cute. The wig is a natural brown color, and it's a 180% density unit. It has a 13x4 parting space. This hair came kind of pre-plucked, but the knot on this unit was really thin. And a bit about the cap construction. It had 3 combs behind of the lace, and it also has 1 comb to the back along with adjustable strap, so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. So I went ahead to bleach the knots on this unit along with dyeing the hair black because it was too brown for my liking. So I am just attaching this adjustable elastic band onto the wig before I jump into the install. So let's hop right over and finesse this wig. So this is the wig. And I went ahead, I actually dyed the hair black because I'm not a fan of 1B colored hair. It also came with this inside of it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add foundation into the knot as I always normally do. But today I feel like using my contour palette. I'll be using this shade right here. So I'm going with this shade. I have my stocking cap on already. I'm going to be doing the ball cap method because this wig is a bit too small. So I'm going to be using my Bold Hold active glue, and I'm just going to dot the glue in front of my hairline. And the only reason I decided to use glue is because the free spray, I don't know if it happens to you guys, but when I use the free spray around my ear area, it actually lifts. So it's cleared, so it's all ready to cut. So I'm just gonna cut off. Going back in with my contour palette in dark to medium, and I'm just gonna put that on using my Black Opal foundation in Carob. It doesn't come with any lace that you can cut off, which is so good, so it saves you the hassle. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean off any sort of extra makeup using my rubbing alcohol to the front. Okay, so you get a guideline actually where to put the glue.
So for this install, I'm just going to be doing 2 layers of this Bold Hold Active Glue today. So after I finish applying the layers, I'm just blending that out with the tip of my rat tail comb, and then I'm going in with my blow dryer. So because this wig is a bit too small, I'm cutting down the lace in smaller section before I push the lace into the glue so it could have a little bit more stretch to it. Again, this wig is not big head friendly. This wig is 22.5 centimeters as stated on Luvme Hair site. And I am just going to pluck out some hair to the front portion to make the wig look more realistic. So I'm just going to be working on that, and then I'm going over that with my blast free spray. So while the lace is being melted, I'm going over that with my sheen spray just to give the wig a bit of shine. So after I get everything laid to my liking, I'm going back in to pluck the side of the wig a little bit more as I would like. And this is how the lace is melted, you guys. So check out the layers. Like, this Luvme Kinky straight unit is bomb, you guys.
So you guys, I'm going to start to work on my baby hair, and I'm going to be using my Murray's beeswax.
So right now I'm going to be working on my baby hairs. So what I'm going to be using for my baby hairs are my Murray's Australian beeswax and my Got To Be Blast Free Spray. Those are 2 products that I always use on my baby hairs, you guys.
Okay, so to finish up the look, I'm gonna be taking my powder in my Black Radiance palette and put it into what I'm gonna be doing. Put it into the 4-inch space a bit. So basically, this is the wig. So you guys, this is the end result of the Yaki straight unit that I got from Luvme Hair Company. It came in this cute little box along with a lot of goodies inside of it. The hair came in this cute little pouch right here. It's super cute, and they sent a lot of goodies as well. Hair clips, tweezers, a headscarf, everything that you need to actually keep your wig. This Kinky straight unit is super bomb, and this wig retails for $259.90. I'll also leave my discount code in the video right below and in my description bar down below as well if you are interested in purchasing this unit. I'm going to be doing another video curling the hair, but I wanted to show you guys how it looked in the natural texture unit. The cons is that this unit is a bit too small. It's actually 22.5 inches in centimeters, and it is a 180% density unit, 100% virgin hair. So you know this wig is a good quality, and the lace is Swiss lace. So this is how long the wig is, and as you can see, the texture of the wig is true to its texture. It's yaki straight. So again, this unit is super thick. It's a 180% density unit. I just wanted to wear it straight for you guys so you guys can see how it actually looks. Nevertheless, this hair is bomb.com. Like, the texture is everything. Like, this is one of the best yaki straight units, so you can go out and check out Luvme Hair. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do.